calamity that has left thousands of Tana River residents stranded as heavy rains continue to bring more destruction to human settlements. Even as they wade through the waters, they are in limbo, not knowing where to settle or begin to rebuild their lives. They place their hopes on the government, hoping that the intention it has on saving them from their ordeal isn't cosmetic.
Kila baada ya miaka 10 kunakuwa na floods kubwa mbili at least. Now this time from 2008, some of the villages ambazo they were more permanent zilivamiwa na maji. This flood ya sahizi, now most of them zimekuwa affected. Mororo kule, Nanigi pale, Makere, Hola town. Hola town, this time it was hit even more than last time.
But the county government alone is overwhelmed by the numbers. Tana River County Governor Dado Godana, who met the National Disaster Response Team in Hola, asked them to extend a helping hand.
Solution would be minimizing the losses. Let the crop be swept away, kiasi, but not the homes. Not to go with cattle. Not for flood to be going with household items. Iende na mashule, iende na infrastructure, critical infrastructure. That would not be the best way.
Whenever there is any humanitarian assistance that is required to be delivered, feel free through your chairman here, the county commissioner, to request whether we can provide escort, we can provide surveillance, air surveillance, in areas that you think that humanitarian assistance should get to the population.
So far, 18,000 residents have been displaced. They are not alone. More than 300 households have been submerged in Baringo County, with over 200 hectares of maize plantation destroyed. The flood victims aren't any better, as the rising water levels in Lake Baringo have displaced families that had resettled at Lempunyanki camp.
Ndio imesababisha hii mafuriko. Hii maji ya mto Parekera na ya lake kukutana na kuweza kufikia penye tunakoishi. Ni process ndio imeleta hiyo hasara.
Serikali hawajachukua maanani kupatia watu makazi, ila tu wanasema muende sehemu nyingine mbadala. Na wakazi wa hapa wengi wao ni wale ambao wako na maisha ya chini sana. Hawana mapato, hawana kabisa mapato nyingine isipokuwa tu mambo ya ukulima kidogo kidogo, mambo ya ufugaji ya ng'ombe.
Their greatest fear is the looming hunger. They are appealing to the national government to come up with a lasting solution to the floods menace. Brenda Cheriot, K24 Newscast.